Okay, I want to send out a quick warning before I start this video. In the video I just shot, which was the unboxing video, where I used a blackhead vacuum. Okay! It has left bruises all over my nose. Looks like an elf was making out with my nose in the 8th grade. My recommendation still stands. I do think it's a really cool tool, but be careful because it can leave bruises all over your face. Today's video. 2 days ago, I got a package. This guy right here. Now, immediately my brain went to, this is the package with 1,000 random stickers. It's not. It just sucks. I thought that would be a cool video. You know, whatever. I'm over it.
Over it? No, you ain't over it. You can't get over it if you're still getting under it. 1, don't pick up the phone. You know they're only calling.
Inside this box is something super cool I've always wanted to do, and I'm so happy that I actually got the chance to do it. Inside this box are some custom-ass Nike shoes. I want to be careful here. There are people out there that are gonna be like,
it's called Nikes.
who the f says Nike? Why Nikes? This gives me an idea. We should settle this right now. Today gonna be the day? What if you're wrong? What if the name is Nikes? Oh my god. You've been living a lie. Okay, Google. How do you pronounce N-I-K-E?
That's pronounced Nike.
How to pronounce Nike? It's official. Nike rhymes with spiky. Why is Nike pronounced as Nike instead of Nike? I guess I didn't realize this before, but I guess people are looking at Nike as like the word bike or like or Mike. But this is not the case. It is pronounced in 2 syllables, rhyming instead with words like crikey. The brand Nike is pronounced Nike, after the Greek goddess of victory in mythology. Boom, settled. It's like the word milk. 2018, if you're still saying milk, now we're back. Danocracy Nike shoes. One of a kind, 1 out of 1 original Danocracy Nike shoes that I created myself. I feel like I've been waiting for this moment my whole life. This is the very first ever shoe review I've ever done on my channel. I'm learning as I go. I love shoes. Don't really know how to review them, but we're gonna figure that out. We got the Nike box. Smells like old Oreos. Feels smooth, could be smoother. My ideal texture is like Harry Potter book cover. Go ahead and open this up, ready? Oh, no, I f***ed it up, Here we go, ready? What the hell, is this thing locked or something? Oh, there we go. I'm not ready. Here we go, 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's paper. Ooh, baby! These turned out exactly how I wanted them to. The first ever. Oh my god, these are so sick. I have created my own Nike shoe from everything, from the material to the colors to even the sole. I present to you the Danocracy. Now we're gonna get a closer look and I'm gonna take you through the specs.
Okay guys, welcome to Danocracy's first ever shoe review. We're gonna mix this in with some ASMR. Here's what the box sounds like.
But actually guys, here is the first ever Danocracy shoe review, okay? We're opened up, we're presented with this beautiful wax ass paper. Sounds like this. 1. Oh my god, oh my god. We're gonna pull out the left shoe first. Let's go through this together, shall we? Okay, so here we have the left shoe. I've decided to go with leather everything. We decided to go with the leather toe cover, leather sides, leather back, everything leather. The reason I made this decision was,
well, I was in the studio late one night and I just thought the leather is better quality.
you could do mesh, but I decided no mesh, white leather with white sides. My next decision was red. Red is the color of passion, love, blood, and also Swedish berries, which are my favorites. So I went with Swedish berry red. The Nike logo, I wanted to make the same color. I want to keep it fairly simple and minimal. I like to think of myself as a minimalist with just a lot of stuff. Next thing I decided to do was inside here. I don't know if you can see this. I've decided to go with a red interior. As a kid, trying to follow me here because I'm taking you inside of Dan's brain as a kid, which was even more weird as my brain now because I had a bigger imagination then. Inside here, I used to think that was like a little fun little cave. It was like a cove. I can have like people live in there. Okay, f*** it, I'm losing you guys. I decided to make it red inside of there. Decided to go with pure white sides here. You could have gone with like off-white. Next up, we have the bottom, the sole, the life of the shoe, the thing that protects you from stepping on nails, bubble gum, and glass. I went with gum rubber. Fun fact, I used to sell shoes when I was a teenager. I worked at a sports store, but I worked in the shoe department. I always loved the gum rubber because it offers more grip. The only downside is the gum rubber comes off in bits like an eraser. I don't know if it's the same anymore. I was a teenager back in 1820s, so it's a little different, but I just love the classic classic look that this offers the shoe. I could have gone with white, black, a little eyelet right here. I went with white. Again, you could choose a color for this. You can go with like neon yellow, pink. I went with pure white laces. I went with a white tongue. Now the coolest feature is on the back, right here. I got my initials, DJR, Dan James Roto, baby. I got this piece red as well. Oh wait, that's connected. Sorry, I thought, because I saw this, I thought this was a solo piece, but it's actually connected. My bad, I take that back. Let me retract that. So that is the left shoe. Wait until you see the right shoe. Oh my God, the exact same. But hold on, there is one thing different about the right shoe from the left. Boom, I got 182 put there for my boys Blink 182. I didn't want to have DJR on both sides because they're both customizable. Let's go ahead and put them on and see what we can do. I just realized right now, this probably seems like a sponsored video with Nike. It's absolutely not. This was a gift I got from my girlfriend, actually. The buying every ad I see video where I had to buy the box of socks, I'm still opening brand new pairs. We're going with tie-dye. Probably not gonna clash well with the shoes guy. Do not recommend. I also just recently learned something about Charlie. Here is Charlie. What I've learned that with this purchase of dog, you're actually getting 25% more dog because he has a long body. That's right, Charlie, man. You're such a good deal. I'm getting 25% more dog because you have a long body. Let's get back to it. The Nike shoes. Okay, if you're gonna oversee safety, you don't have to be in the shot, okay? Oh my God, they just hug my feet so beautifully. Wow, that's all I could say. Oh wow, it's like just meant to be. Sizing is impeccable. Oh, simulate walking. These are my custom Danocracy shoes. One of a kind. Look at them. Oh my God. Not even lying, guys. Today it's snowing. Otherwise, I'd wear these outside. But let me know if you guys would want a pair, and maybe I'll make another pair. If you guys have any other questions about these custom shoes, I'll be on Twitch later today. Twitch.tv/Danocracy, where you guys can actually ask me questions. I can show the shoes on the live stream. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and turn the bell notification on so you guys are actually getting notified. Whatever that means nowadays. I know YouTube's constantly changing, but go to my Instagram @Danocracy, where you can see a photo of these bad boys. See you guys in my next video. See you guys later.